Hello everyone, welcome to our channel The Unplanned Way. Are you planning to apply for a Schengen visa from India? Then this video is for you. We recently visited Europe with our 20-month-old twin boys, and in this video, we are sharing the exact steps we took to get our Schengen visa for Switzerland. Why Switzerland? Since you get an appointment in 2 days, the wait time is shorter compared to hot destinations like Italy, Germany, and France. A Schengen visa is a short stay visa that allows a person to travel to any member of the Schengen area for up to 90 days within a 180-day period for purposes such as tourism, business, or family visits. Here is a screenshot of all 29 European countries you can visit with a Schengen visa. The first step to get your Schengen visa is to book an appointment with VFS Global Switzerland. Let's look at appointment booking with VFS Global. Now let's do this together. I will walk you step by step through the VFS visa application process. First, you need to visit the VFS Global website. Then you need to select the option I'm applying from India and I'm going to Switzerland. Read the step-by-step guide on the screen. Once done, click on Apply Now. Then click on Book Now to book an appointment. Now sign in with your details. If you are a new user, then you need to register your account. Once you have signed in, click on Start a New Booking option, then fill in the appointment details. You need to choose your application center from the drop-down menu. In our case, the center was Mumbai. Then select the following options for the remaining menu. On the next page, enter your details as per your passport. Make sure to keep your passport handy. Once you are done, your information will be recorded. If you are applying in a group, then you can click on Add Another Applicant and repeat the same process for all the applicants. Once that is done, click on Continue to schedule an appointment and take a slot that is convenient for you. Once you have taken the appointment with VFS, let's fill out the Schengen Visa application form that is to be submitted at the VFS office in person for every individual intending to travel. For this, you need to visit the official Swiss Tourist Visa website to download the application form. Select the English version of the form and save the PDF form. Open the saved PDF form and start filling in the form as per your passport. Refer to the filled form. Needless to say, do not copy the details as it is. Please enter details as per your passport. In our case, my husband, who is self-employed as an investor, was the primary applicant as he was solely sponsoring our trip, so we mentioned his appropriate details. Please understand your case and make changes accordingly. Once the form is filled, save it and take printouts to sign them. Once you have completed the first two steps, let's now jump on the most critical step, which is to arrange a bunch of documents. First one, of course, is passport size photos as per Schengen visa specifications. Copies of the first and last page of passport and previous Schengen visas if you have any. A confirmed flight ticket. As you are aware, a Schengen visa may be rejected, so it is advisable to book refundable tickets. In our case, we had booked a dummy flight ticket through our trusted visa consultant, Mr. Ayush Sharma. We are mentioning his contact details in the description box. You'll also need a confirmed hotel booking voucher. You can book an Airbnb like us that allows free cancellation up to 7 days before your check-in date. Next is insurance policy document. We again got it done with a visa consultant without any hassles. You'll need salary slip or business registration document. As my husband was sponsoring the trip for us, we had to provide only his document, which is a business registration certificate. I, being a homemaker, did not attach my document. Then you need proof of funds. This is the most crucial document to obtain Schengen visa. You will need to submit last 6 months bank statement copy which is signed and stamped by bank officials. Although there is no official information on it, you need to maintain a minimum of 10 lakh balance in your bank account as per a visa consultant. In our case, we were not maintaining enough balance in the bank account as we were not sure about the Europe trip 6 months ago. So we provided my husband's net worth certificate as an additional document. It is provided by the chartered accountant on his letterhead with a signature and stamp. You will need ITR copies for last 2 years. You need to draft a cover letter. Now we have attached a sample cover letter in the description box for your reference. If you are married, then you need to attach a registered marriage certificate copy. If you are traveling with infants or children, you need to carry their birth certificate copy as well. You need to attach all other documents to the Schengen visa form we filled in the step 2 of our process. The final document is the VFS appointment confirmation slip that you will receive via email when you complete step 1 of the process. You need to pay 80 euros per person at the VFS office for the visa, which is non-refundable. Hope this video helps you to get Schengen visa like us. Feel free to comment your queries below. With that, we end this video here. If you enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful, please hit the like button, share with your friends and subscribe to our channel. We will see you in our next video soon.